Good morning, Group 52. We wake up, go to work, pay bills, sleep, and repeat that process. Because of this hamster wheel of life that we're on, it's easy to feel like time has passed you by, like it's too late to be successful, to write that book, to own that business, to see your dreams come true. When asked about when he would return, Jesus told the disciples, only the Father knows that time, meaning time is in God's hands. So it's not too late until God says it's too late. So put your faith and hope in the one that still saves, because anything is possible with God. Thank you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.